What's going on, guys? Welcome to Stampy Longnose Minecraft Hardcraft Survivor.
I'm having a seizure on the floor.
I'd love to see Stanley Lumpy Cat dies.
Stampy Lawful Nose.
Shut up.
I have a Christmas sock.
I don't want to hear your Christmas song ever again, dude.
I wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Alright, our goal is to unlock the Void Survivor.
Wow, this is... I randomized and this is what we get. Just dissonance. That's all. This one moment is what changed it all. I guess we're playing Dissonance.
We're not playing Dissonance.
We're playing Dissonance, dude.
We're not.
We're playing Dissonance. Dissonance is funny. The Dissonance is it adds, like, actual hard to the game.
You're flat.
Yeah, man. You should play as accurate and then start doing the gong style. You should press the ready button.
I was looking at his loadout. Okay.
Remedy. You don't even have the special skin for him, do you?
I don't. I haven't won with him.
You haven't won with him. Not one. I haven't won with him.
I'll kill you and your family.
That's literally where you wake up, bro.
Gun him,
Yeah. You want the encrusted key?
No.
Sort of actually like rusting boxes.
I like rusting. Top decks, he likes rusting.
Nuh-uh, this is why I cannot drink water.
I made a bird pass away.
Do not! You already have an item, you, like, greedy bastard.
Read mode activated. I want Paul.
Yeah, I guess Paul is pretty cool. Look at this thing. Look at this little goofster.
Well, actually, my family's actually in prison. Well, actually, I have lice.
Killed your woman. All I have
Yeah,
to
would
say.
you want to have a personal shield generator, or personal shield generator, or personal shield generator?
That's not real.
It is real. Yo, I got another great item.
It's terrible. If the shields stack, then it would be good, but they don't stack. They just, like, the shield makes it so that the damage that you take is less. For that one hit. Then you have to wait for it to recharge.
Every time you gotta explain an item, you gotta do, like, you have to add a screenshot of the actual description of the game and put it in the bottom. Like a pro tip.
Pro tip. This item sucks
that.
nuts.
I have mocha.
Mocha. You say that mocha.
Oh my god, mocha is actually really good.
Yeah, yeah. It like
I
increased.
actually haven't read it. Do it in the bottom. You have to say it.
The mocha can actually increase your attack speed and also your movement speed.
Can you do like a image of you, like with your mouth open, but like it's gonna be pixelated?
It's gonna be like frame by frame. You can slightly see me moving my mouth like the Polish Gangnam
Do
Style.
you have webcam on?
No, I don't have webcam on.
Why, loser? This goes against my religion.
Wow, they spawned the furthest point from you. They knew what was gonna happen.
We dropped the golden item.
These are alright, I guess.
You gotta have the last. What is that? What is that? What is that?
What? The Berserker's Pauldron? The Berserker's Pauldron, what it does is whenever you kill 4 enemies in quick succession, you actually get a buff to movement speed and attack speed. Bundle of Fireworks is the best item ever. Gotta be optimistic about whatever item you get, man. Oh, finally, shooting faster. If you picked that up, I would have played
Killed you in real life.
That song sounds like.
Gun himself. They're called pests.
They're like, yeah, they are actually called
No,
pests.
they're like rodent
Annoying
pests.
pests or something.
The pests are the flying ones.
Blind pest, blind rat.
Flying rat. Is that his actual name?
What?
I tried it 1,000 times. I don't get it. How far do these need to be pushed back? Dude, like I pushed them all back.
You came in here to yell at. I'm recording a video.
Like, look, how far do they need to be pushed back?
She doesn't care.
Like, all the way? Because that's impossible.
Did you not hear me?
I did.
I hate
I
you.
didn't see the sign.
It's
Can you,
not
like,
streaming.
every time she enters a room,
Okay,
can you make,
and what's the
a big giant
difference?
corner screen into the Joker?
Streaming is live. Recording, I'm just gonna
You
edit
edit?
later. Yeah,
You edit?
yeah.
And
I know
it is
how
not that
to,
hard.
Just like slightly edit. Not like a professional. Dude! Rodent! Rodent!
Okay, then I'll put the sign on your door that you did not put on.
Blind vermin. They're blind. Vermin destroyer. It is your time to shine. Good night.
Are they still alive? I'm gonna kiss.
Remember the shrine later in the story. Becomes a very important part. Pretty sure I've seen many of them.
But when your sister walks in, can you add like a figure of like the troll face Joker?
Why?
Because it's funny.
I don't have my camera on. It's not like anyone would see.
No, it's just like for the
Okay, dude.
deaf
3 times in a row.
viewers.
Oh, it always pays out, and also cheat death, by the way. You ready? Your opinion did not matter. I like how he was targeting on me that entire time and he just switched to you. Unidentified object in the bagging aisle.
Got himself.
I think we both see an objective here, and both of us do want to share the same objective, but only one of us can get it. You know?
What is it?
I'm glad you haven't seen it yet, so you really do not. Piss yourself. Anja. I didn't even play the Shrine of Chance one more time. After that legendary, it was just over.
It could have been another Dildo's life. Oh!
Dildo's
Wow.
life.
I
More
hate
important.
this level. Looks like my
Dude, this level
toilet
does suck.
after-
I hate the sulfuric like things everywhere that just drain your health.
Women, am I right?
Drain your money,
No.
not health. Come on.
I cut my liver for my woman. How dare you?
I do not want the Jade Elephant. Please be something a lot better. Okay, I'll take the random. I
want
guess
this.
Supermassive Leech is also pretty good. What it does, it activates 10 Leeching Seeds at once. Leeching Seed, what that does is whenever you damage an enemy,
From
it
the
will heal you for
Royal
1.
Hawk. I'm not actually. You're low health as hell. Let me save that one item for when we meet it, when we're gonna go to the new dimension.
Yeah, Dildo's teddy bear.
Dildos.
That's
I
what
think
you
it's
said.
around dildos.
That's what you said.
No,
I will
haven't.
go back
Lying.
earlier.
My word. Nope. False. It could have been another dildo's life. Don't worry, your
Anyways,
savior's here.
key. Okay, well, long story short, I didn't get the key.
Oh, where was it?
I'm on it right now.
Oh,
I've marked it.
activated.
You're not even close, you're melee. What are you gonna do? Shoot him?
I'm right here.
Now you are. Okay,
Oh my god.
I love dissonance.
There's like 50 of them. I'm almost dead. I'm gonna die.
Fold.
No, I can't. I lost my shift ability.
Ooh. Oop. The magma worm just died, or something. Did it actually just die? Why are you here? You belong in the void, not here. Get out. Okay.
Imagine being a loser.
The void jailer insta-killed me.
Hashtag I've been imprisoned.
If you're here, welcome to the end of the video. I'm glad that you watched the end. It took me a while to make this thing, about 3 days. If you like more of this content in the future, please do tell me, or press the like button. I'm not asking for likes here. I'm asking for your opinions on stuff. So please just don't like the video because you're my friend or something. Please like it if you actually like it. I need to actually know.